Hello everyone, welcome to PB Maths. Let ABCD be a rectangle and E and F be points on CD and BC respectively, such that area of ADE is 16 cm square, area of CEF is 9 cm square, and area of ABF is 25 cm square. Then what is the area of triangle AEF? This problem is taken from Pre-Regional Mathematics Olympiad 2017. To solve that, let's say the length and breadth of the rectangle ABCD be X and Y. Suppose the length of DE is A, then the length of CE becomes X minus A. Similarly, if we consider the length of BF as B, then the length of CF is Y minus B. Now, let's draw a line segment EG parallel to AD. Now, ADEG is also a rectangle with side lengths Y and A, and AE is the diagonal of the rectangle ADEG. We know that diagonal of the rectangle divides that rectangle into two congruent triangles. So, area of ADE is also equals to area of AEG. So, the area of rectangle ADEG is equals to 32 cm square. Therefore, AY is equals to 32 cm square. Let's say it as equation 1. Then let's draw a side FH parallel to AB. Now ABFH is also a rectangle and AF is diagonal. Area of AFH is equals to area of triangle ABF. Therefore, area of rectangle ABFH is equals to 50 cm square. The side length of the rectangle ABFH is X and its breadth is B. Therefore, XB is equals to 50 cm square. Let's say it as equation 2. At last, let's mark a point I inside the rectangle in such a way that ECFI is also a rectangle. Now EF becomes the diagonal of the rectangle ECFI. So the area of rectangle ECFI is equals to 18 cm square and its length is X minus A. The breadth of rectangle ECFI is Y minus B. Therefore, area of rectangle ECFI is equals X minus A into Y minus B is equals 18 cm square. Now, let's solve this. X minus A into Y minus B is equals 18. We get XY minus XB minus AY plus AB is equals 18. We know the values of XB and AY. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can write XY minus the value of XB is 50. So minus 50 minus the value of AY is 32. So minus 32 plus AB. Let's shift that 18 to LHS. So we get minus 18 is equals to 0. At last, we get XY minus 100 plus AB is equals to 0. Now, just replace that A and B by 32 by Y and 50 by X. We get equation X square Y square minus 100XY plus 1600 is equals 0. That X square Y square can be rewritten as XY whole square minus 100XY plus 1600 is equals 0. To find xy, let's replace that xy by p. Then we get the quadratic equation p square minus 100p plus 1600 is equals 0. By solving that quadratic equation, we get the values of p as 80 and 20, in which we must ignore the value 20 because p is equals to xy and xy is equals to area of the rectangle ABCD, and it must not be less than any of its interior triangles area. So P must be equals to 80. So the area of rectangle ABCD is 80 cm square. Then by simplifying it, we can say that area of AEF is equals to 30 cm square. I hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching the video.